Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Backup key data because swapping system fonts can affect layouts. Next, download a verified iOS-style font and the matching emoji package, either a theme file, OTF/TTF font, or Emoji APK. Once done, make sure the Themes app or font tool has storage permission and any import privileges. Without them, the files won't install. Finally, close background apps and keep the phone charged above 30% so the process won't be interrupted. With files ready, open Vivo's theme or your chosen font manager. Tap Import or Local, locate the iOS font file and select it. Apply the font and confirm any system prompts. Some phones request a restart to finalize changes. For emojis, install the Emoji APK or apply the emoji theme in the same tool, then enable the keyboard or input method that uses the new emoji set. Make sure to grant keyboard and overlay permissions so emojis display across apps. Finish by rebooting the device. This ensures the font and emoji changes apply system-wide and in third-party apps. Check messages, social apps, and settings to confirm correct display. If text layout breaks or characters look odd, switch back to the default font or restore your backup. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear the theme app cache, reinstall the theme manager, or re-download verified files. Corrupted downloads and insufficient permissions are the most common causes of failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.